Yes. So what I was about to show you is the number of platforms and why the DC sector, right? It was new, and why 1 year ago there was no user. So if you see the light, this is the platforms on which the decentralization finance system or the services are created. So earlier we had only Ethereum, okay, which were like providing tools to the developer where they can create decentralization services or tools. Okay, so now you can see that Uniswap was the first one to come up, then the SushiSwap, and this 1inch, and this OpenSea is a marketplace. So you can see the category also here, right? So it's Uniswap is the exchange, and the 1inch is a exchange aggregator, which is DP, and then OpenSea is a marketplace. So all these tools have come up on Ethereum platform. And similarly, if you see the new platforms have come up. So if you see the latest one or the rising one is BSC, which is Binance Smart Chain. BSC is Binance Smart Chain. Okay. So, and in this one, the top of the line, this exchange, which is equivalent of Uniswap in Ethereum, is PancakeSwap. Okay, so we will go over each of these tools and try to understand that. So through this, I wanted to show that there were earlier less platforms. Now the platforms are coming up. So if you can see the Near or Avalanche, so these are the new platforms that are coming up. Okay. So now let's go over the first one, which is lending platforms. Okay, so for example, I have taken Compound, for example. So if you let's say I refresh this, I will show you from the starting. So if you open that, right, before that, to participate in all of these, you will need some tools. Okay, for example, if you want to put FD or loans, you need to at least open an account with bank. So how easy in decentralization finance system is, we need only a simple Chrome extension, which is called MetaMask. Okay. So I will just Google MetaMask, and I will just show that you can just open in your browser and then download it. It's just an extension. It will come up here. Okay. So let's say you have downloaded yourself, and then you are done. So I will maybe find out here, or yeah. So once you log in, right? Once you log in, you will have your account here, and you can deposit or your Ether or your US dollar here. Okay, so once you have any amount here, let's say I have Ethereum here or few coins here. Let's say, for example, I have US dollar. This is just to show the normal transaction. Okay, so let's say if you have come up here in Compound and you have opened account in MetaMask, the only thing you need to do is, yeah, I think it is already connected because I did that. You just need to connect the wallet. Okay, so now you are in. Now,
so this wallet MetaMask, that's like completely independent, which like I can connect to multiple platforms. Like Compound is one of the platforms. Is that how it works?
Yes, that's how it works. You can connect to multiple. So the only thing is
MetaMask is just a wallet service.
Yes, that's it. A wallet service.
Okay.
Yeah. So after that, right, you can see left side is supply market and the right side is borrow market. Okay. So what we can do is, if we want to supply Bitcoin, okay, so which is providing the yearly the rate, right, yield. Okay. So it is 0.78. So based on the coins, if you provide these coins, for example, DAI, it's a stable coin. So in US dollar terms, it is providing 2.56 interest rate. If you provide your Ether, it is 0.19. And in US dollars, it is 0.06. So you can see, right, that now you have a tools or services where you can get your interest rate just by providing your points. It is all decentralized. So you can see the rates are less because it's all dynamic. Okay, it is based on the market where people need more money, the rates will change. And you can also borrow it. For example, if you want, let's say US dollar, okay, but you think that you can provide Ether and get US dollar, so you can do so. So for example, let's say, for example, I have US dollar, okay, and I want to borrow some amount, right? So let's say I want to get $500 worth of loan, okay. So I can just put it here, and then the rate, right? They are providing the rate, okay. So after that, you can do your transaction. Similarly, if you want to supply, or let's say if I have, I think US dollar, USDC. So you can see also, right, the collateral, right? The few are green. So the Ether are green and this USDC is green because I have these ones. So I can just supply. So yeah, first it will ask if you want to enable it. So let's say I click it, enable. Okay, so what it will do is, are you able to see the MetaMask?
No, MetaMask is coming as black screen.
Okay. 1 second.
I think you are sharing probably maybe one screen, maybe that could be the reason.
Are you able to see now?
No. Now we can see a small pop-up which says something. Allow.
Yeah, so when I did the transaction, right? Okay, I think I need to share the whole screen.
Yeah. Now we can see both, yes.
So you can see the transaction is there and it is asking $1.83. Okay, so this is just for allowing. So you are allowing Compound to do transactions on behalf of you on Ethereum network. So if I do that, it's a permission the platform is asking. So you just confirm it. The fees associated is 1.183. So this piece is dynamic based on the gas fee. Okay, so each transaction on Ethereum, it is based on the gas fees. Okay, so so there is a limit for Ethereum network on which the transaction can be done. So for example, right now there are limit is around 11 to 15 transactions per second, which can be done on Ethereum network. So if you say, let's say 15 transactions per second, there are many application which wants to do their transaction first. So whoever wants to do first, they have to pay higher fees. Okay. So you can see, right, this is a ethergasstation.info. This is a website which tells us that what is the gas fee. So as of now, you can see if you pay 19 GUI as a gas fee, your transaction will be done in less than 2 minutes. If you pay 9, which will be done your transaction less than 5 minutes. So you can see which platform is consuming the highest gas fee. So Uniswap is first one, then Tether, then 1inch, then all these platforms. You can see which platform is spending more Ether. So in last 30 days, right? So this Uniswap has spent $2 million in just gas fees. Okay, so who is getting this gas fees? So the question is how the network is supported. So that is where the miners comes into picture. So as of now, Ether platform is running on proof of work. So that's why this 2 million goes to the miners who perform the transactions, right? So more the transactions, the more the users, the mining users will get the fee. Okay, so now back to that the Compound. So I think I have rejected the transaction or not.
think you did
So
it.
one query here. So basically, just thinking from a current perspective, how financial institutions function, right? In terms of loans. So whenever we go for a loan, right, it's not just not that we can even have a collateral like my house. Even I don't have money
Ah,
in my bank account, right? But for now, what I see that you have to stake a thing of value that is a currency only in the borrow
ah,
markets. Like,
yeah, yeah.
so
So very, very good question. Okay. So this question have always come up that right now we cannot collateralize our, let's say our house. Okay. So, so the answer to that is because it's a new system. This is as of now, it is not possible, but the way to do it and that there are services coming up is there will be some way that you will be able to tokenize your house on some decentralization platform. So once you do that, that is called tokenization. Okay. For example, you will have some piece of land. So there will be some platform through which, for example, if government can provide that, that is very good. Then you can, they will tokenize your land. Then once your land is tokenized, then what you can do is that token you have got, right? So now instead of providing any other currency, you can provide that your land as a token. But that should be official in terms of land, if I say, right? Because land is a geography, comes under geography control of government, right? So only if government can provide that, then only it will come up. But for example, if you have some digital art, right? So which is there, which is called which is coming up right now. Let's say you have digital art and
NFTs.
you are the
NFTs, you're saying.
yeah, NFTs. So for example, there is a digital art and which is already tokenized. So if you want to loan it or you want to put it as a collateral, you will be able to do so today itself. So today you will be able to do that. So because the digital art is already in tokenized format, right? So you will be able to do it today. So soon, I think maybe that El Salvador will be able to come up first because they have already legalized Bitcoin and made it as a legal tender. So maybe you will be easily able to, let's say you have some land in El Salvador, you will be able to tokenize it. And once you tokenize it, that is in digital format, you will be able to provide that as a collateral and get US dollars, for example. Okay. Yes. So
can you just throw just a couple of seconds? I'll leave more. So just can you explain what's a tokenized digital art?
So tokenized digital art is a token or a contract on top of Ethereum network, for example. Okay. So it is owned by you. Owned by you means you are the owner. How to identify is, let's say this is my account. So this is my, let's say, public address. Okay. But I have private keys attached to this. So once you create an account on MetaMask, right, it is just as simple as getting 12 words, right? So once you do that, you are the owner. So if you have any entity or let's say these tokens, right, 0.2278. So this is a currency actually. But similarly, you will be having a token. Token, I would say, in real word example, right? Let's say you have currency notes, right? Right. So it is similar to that. So currency notes are provided by government. In this case, the notes will be provided by that entity. For example, some platform. I will show you later. Maybe once we go to that factor, right? I think it will be easier for you to grasp that how does it work.
Sure.